Every Friday, after the batteries have been fully charged, use the battery watering system to extend the life of the batteries. Failure to properly maintain the water level in the batteries will result in poor runtime and costly battery replacement. There are only a few steps required to successfully use a hand-operated battery watering system. Place the suction hose into the water supply container. Prime the bulb pump until water comes out of the pump coupler. Remove the dust cap from the battery coupler. Connect the pump coupler to the battery coupler. Squeeze the bulb pump firmly until it becomes hard. This indicates that all of the cells are filled to the proper level. Each battery cover has an indicator near the center of the cover. If the indicator is black, the battery has water. If it is white, the battery needs water. Disconnect the pump coupler from the battery coupler. Place the dust cap on the battery coupler. Important: batteries may only be filled after charging.